Hey guys, what's going on? Hunter here from VW World. We got another black edition. It's a 2019 Tiguan SEL Rline black. It's a black on black, as you can see here, and we got a black interior as well. I know I said that other gray black edition was my favorite, but changed my mind. This is it. So up front here, well, I guess all the way around, we got the 19-inch black wheels. All the R-Line badging with the different front bumper down below. A little sportier. Again, the R-Line package is not a performance package, it's an appearance package on these. But definitely looks pretty good with all. It's hard to see on this one, but you can see here, opposed to a normal black one, you'll still have that kind of chrome side strip. But on the all black, everything's blacked out from the side pieces. Wraps around to the back. With the front, everything's painted black. Looks really nice. Walk around here to the side. So normally you'll have the black mirrors as well, but again, this being all black, can't really tell. There you can see down below you have the black painted trim. Looks really sharp, really clean, good look. So if these did have the tow package, of course, back here, that's a 1,500 pound towing capacity. These have a 15.9 gallon fuel tank in them. Again, with the 2-liter turbo in these, they're 184 horsepower, approximately 4,400 RPM, and 221 foot-pounds of torque, only at that low 1,600 RPM. So the torque comes in really early on these. You can see SEL 4MO on the back. So we're gonna have the digital cockpit, the roof, remote start on this. There you can see right there. It's just a good looking Tiguan. Awesome package. I think the R-Line chrome trim is just enough to give it just a slight change to it, so not everything's black. Although I do think having these front windows tinted would look really good. You could in the comment section below if you want to disagree, if tinting the windows would look nice on this, you can, but I definitely think it would be a good look. Being the black, you're mostly going to see everything on the exterior once again. See if we can just get that front look there. Oh yeah, there you can really see what it looks like. But most of you guys, just a glimpse inside too. It's just an SEL, so you'll have the couple R-Line badging on it, but besides that, you got the Titan black leather material. So again, the R-Line badge as you're coming in right here. Focus, focus, focus. There it is. And then of course the R-Line on the steering wheel. Besides that, digital cockpit. Everything else is going to look virtually the same. The pano, sunroof, of course the screen's on. Just tap the little arrow, going to go all the way back. Always a nice feature on these, just sitting in the back seat and being able to look up. This one doesn't have the third row option on it, on this specific one, but it's there. But overall, just wanted to show you guys the black on black, or I guess I should say SEL R-Line black, but it is sharp looking, that is for sure. It's a head turner. This one's already had a few people walk by, and definitely the one to be checked out of all the Tiguans. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of this Tiguan in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and like always, just smash the like button on this video. We'll be sure to keep bring some more Volkswagen videos out to you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.